Okay, so just picture this. You're walking through a massive airport, or maybe, a big movie theater lobby, and you see the exact same high-resolution image on screens that are hundreds of feet apart.
Right. And it's always perfectly crisp.
Exactly. But have you ever stopped to think about how that signal actually gets there? I mean, where's the computer?
You'll never find it. It's probably tucked away in a server room 3 football fields away from that departure screen you're looking at.
Which is a huge engineering headache. Getting an analog signal that far without it just turning into noise is really tough.
It is.
So today, we're doing a deep dive into one of the devices that solves this exact problem. It's the NTI VOPEX-C5VA-8C1000.
Yeah, it's a very utilitarian-looking piece of gear, but what it does is pretty impressive. It turns a single PC into a broadcast station for up to 8 different monitors.
But the splitting isn't even the main story here, is it?
No, not at all. The real magic is the distance, the extension. We are talking about 1,000 feet.
1,000 feet?
Yeah.
That's just wild for a VGA signal.
Hmm.
Normally, if you run a standard VGA cable, more than, 50 feet?
Oh, you start seeing signal loss for sure, ghosting, fuzziness. To go that far, you'd think you'd need these incredibly thick, really expensive shielded cables.
So what's the secret sauce here? How does the VPEX do it?
Well, it gets clever. It dishes those big, heavy VGA cables entirely. Instead, it converts the video and the audio signals to run over standard CT5 or CT6 cables.
The same cable you use for your internet connection.
The very same. It's cheap, it's thin, and crucially, it's already in the walls and ceilings of pretty much every modern building.
That's a really smart way to leverage existing infrastructure.
It is, but running an analog video signal over that kind of twisted pair cable introduces a whole different kind of physics problem.
And that would be skew, right?
Exactly, skew, because inside a CT5 cable, the different pairs of wires are twisted at different rates. That's to stop crosstalk.
Okay, I'm with you.
But a side effect is that the wire carrying, say, the red color signal might be physically a tiny bit longer than the wire carrying the blue signal.
Over a short cable, that doesn't matter.
But over 1,000 feet, that little difference adds up. The red signal literally arrives at the monitor a split second later than the blue one.
Which would make the image look awful. You'd get color separation like a bad 3D movie print.
That's where the rest of the ecosystem comes in. The VOPEX box is just the broadcaster. At each monitor, you need a little receiver, an XTENDEX remote unit.
Ah, so there are 2 parts to the system.
Right, and the higher-end remote units have this brilliant automatic skew compensation. They actually detect that delay and electronically adjust the timing for each color channel. It fixes it.
So it's all automated. Nobody has to climb a ladder with a tiny screwdriver to tune 8 different screens in a convention center.
Thank goodness, no. And it does all that while still supporting resolutions up to 2048 by 1536. It's remarkable.
But I'm guessing the biggest selling point here isn't just the pixels. It's got to be the stability.
Absolutely. It's a pure hardware solution. There are no drivers to install, no software conflicts, no operating system dependencies.
So no blue screen of death in the middle of a flight schedule update?
Precisely. That's why you see them in these mission-critical places. Airports, conference centers, digital signage, places where failure is not an option.
You can even see that philosophy in the build quality.
Oh, yeah. It's high-quality, rugged steel with a powder coat finish. This is industrial gear meant to be screwed into a rack and then completely forgotten about.
And it's not just video, it's also pushing audio down that same little cable.
It is CD quality stereo audio. So for that movie theater lobby, you get the trailer and the sound perfectly sync on every single screen, all from one machine.
It's a great reminder, I think, that while we all obsess over everything being wireless,
Right. We want everything beamed magically through the air.
the backbone of our critical information infrastructure is often still just really solid, really reliable copper and steel.
For your phone, sure, wireless is great. But when you need to move uncompressed, zero latency video across a massive building without fail, nothing beats a dedicated physical wire.
Which leaves us with a final thought. In a world rushing towards all things wireless and digital, does the simple reliability of a pure hardware wired connection still reign supreme for the things that truly matter?
I think for now, the answer is a clear yes.
Reliability over novelty. That's it for this deep dive. Thanks for listening.